Hi everyone, we're demonstrating the Fortress ST27200 27-gallon air compressor that you can buy at Harbor Freight. We're standing approximately 4 to 4.5 feet away from the compressor, and you can hear how loud or quiet it is. I'm going to move up closer to it. Now we are exactly 1 foot away. What we're doing right now is we're draining it. The first 30 minutes. So now we're about 6 feet away. We're now approximately 12 feet away. And at this point, I would say about 15 feet away. So you can see how quiet the compressor is. This is a 5.1 SCFM 90 at 90 PSI air compressor. They say the loudness is 78 dBA. Its maximum pressure is approximately 155 PSI, even though they advertise 200 PSI. They actually manually limit it to 155. If you want to change it and risk damaging your tools, you may. But I'm going to highly recommend this compressor over Cobalt and some of the other brands. Again, this video is predominantly being done to just show you the compressor and also how loud it is. And you can judge for yourself. It's my opinion that the louder the compressor, the more powerful it is. Okay, thank you for watching.